Probiotics are made up of microorganisms like yeast, saccharomyces boulardii, and bacteria, such as lactobacillus, bifidobacterium. These microorganisms, also known as flora, naturally exist in the stomach, intestines, and vagina. However, certain conditions like antibiotic use or travel can disrupt the normal balance of these bacteria and yeast. This is where probiotics come in. They are used to help improve digestion and restore the normal flora in the body. Probiotics have been found to be beneficial in treating various conditions such as diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. You can find probiotics in foods like yogurt, milk, juices, and soy beverages, as well as in the form of dietary supplements like capsules, tablets, and powders. It's important to note that different products may have different uses, so always check the label for information specific to the product you are using. It's also worth mentioning that some dietary supplement products may contain harmful impurities or additives, so it's best to consult with your pharmacist about the brand you are using. Lastly, it's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more details as the FDA has not reviewed this product for safety or effectiveness. Make sure to follow the directions on the product package for Zelac 15.5 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms. Check the label to see if the dose should be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you are using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device/spoon. Avoid using a household spoon as it may not give you the correct dose. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Some probiotic products may contain live bacteria, such as bifidobacteria. If you are taking antibiotics, these products may not work well. Take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics. Be sure to follow the specific product directions. If you are using this product for diarrhea caused by antibiotics, do not use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless directed by your doctor. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. If you experience an increase in stomach gas or bloating, it is important to notify your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Serious side effects may include signs of infection, such as a persistent cough, high fever, or chills. While rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this product could occur. Seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling of the face, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. It is important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. If you are in Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before starting Zelac 15.5 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or if you have any of the following health problems: diarrhea lasting more than 2 days, a weakened immune system, recurring vaginal infections, or recurring urinary tract infections. If you are diabetic or have phenylketonuria, you should use caution with Zelac as it may contain sugar and/or aspartame. It's best to discuss this with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any concerns. If you are planning to have surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, Zelac should only be used when clearly needed, so it's best to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also important to consult your doctor before using Zelac if you are breastfeeding. As for the daily dosage, it's best to follow the instructions on the product label or as directed by your doctor. Zelac can be taken with or without food, but it's important to take it at the same time each day to get the most benefit. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. Always keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some medications that may interact with certain probiotics include antibiotics, antifungals like clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, and nystatin. Always consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new medication or supplement. If you suspect an overdose or serious symptoms such as passing out or trouble breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the US, you can call 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can reach out to your provincial poison control center. It's crucial to act quickly in these situations to ensure proper care and treatment. Remember to attend all your medical and lab appointments. In addition to gut flora microorganisms, some Zelac 15.5 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations may also have other ingredients like fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the specific ingredients in your brand, be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take your next dose at the regular time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing probiotics like Zelac 15.5 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms, it's important to check the product package for specific instructions. Some probiotics may need to be refrigerated, while others should not be. If you have any questions about how to store the product, it's best to ask your pharmacist. And remember to keep all medications, including probiotics, away from children and pets. When it comes to discarding expired or no longer needed probiotics, it's important to do so properly. Do not flush them down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to dispose of them. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.